Steel Bite Pro is a straightforward and healthy solution for maintaining optimal oral health. As per the official website, this supplement has a completely natural composition and does not comprise of any harmful ingredients such as stimulants or toxins. This is why you have no reason to hesitate when it comes to trying it out. It is the perfect formula to complement the use of toothpastes which only clean the outside of your teeth thoroughly, often completely missing out on nourishing your teeth from the inside. To top it all off, it is up for sale at a limited time discounted price by the manufacturer. Are you mortified of your teeth with almost everyone you come across pointing out that you have blackened molars? Do you try to hide your mouth when you speak to people so that they can't see the stains on your incisors? If you're struggling with any of these problems, perhaps you need to nourish your teeth and gums. Steel Bite Pro is one supplement that can help. Of course, since you cannot ingest toothpastes and other such products for rubbing on your teeth, how can they provide optimal nourishment to your mouth? With this supplement, you have a way to get rid of bacteria hiding in the crevice of your mouth. Learn more about its benefits, ingredients, pricing and other details in this review. Steel Bite Pro review. You cannot have milk teeth forever, now can you? As you grow older, you will realize that you need to pay more attention to your oral health. Not only are your teeth prone to stains and chipping, but they can also get damaged due to the bacteria they start accumulating around and between them. It is best that you take steps to maintain optimal oral health early on. This is because oral infections such as gingivitis and periodontal disease are common. They don't only damage your teeth and your gums, but they're also linked to your heart health and your brain's working. Steel Bite Pro supplement can help you improve your oral health by providing nutrition to your teeth and your gums. According to the manufacturer, the supplement works effectively as all ingredients have been studied in depth before they have been added in the formula. This has been done to ensure that no unnecessary ingredients are added and that all those that have been included work toward the common goal of improving your oral health. What does Steel Bite Pro do? Steel Bite Pro supplement is not a replacement for your regular toothpaste. You are supposed to brush your teeth as you normally do and just add these capsules to your routine for improving your oral health. As per the official website, following are some of the ways in which these capsules benefit you. Filled Circle reduce the risk of diseases and oral infections. With more and more people eating lots of junk food and with addictions like alcohol and cigarette, oral health problems have become very common. If you keep your teeth and your gums nourished, you can reduce the risk of infections such as periodontal disease and gingivitis. By cutting down the risk of these issues, you also reduce the chance of being given OTC drugs or recommended terrifying dental procedures. Filled Circle strengthen and whiten your teeth. We have all made it into a habit to slice all the foods that we eat rather than chew them. For instance, you see people eating corn kernels in place of enjoying corn on the cob. This means our eating habits have gotten lazier with time, which, in turn, has weakened our teeth. This dental health supplement makes your teeth stronger, repairs chips in them as well as whitens your teeth so that you can give a full bright grin rather than a hesitant small shy smile. Filled Circle gets rid of bacteria to improve mouth odor and more. Unpleasant mouth odor can be such a turn-off. It just shows that you are not careful about your personal hygiene. This is another area in which this supplement is helpful. As it gets rid of bacteria hiding in the nooks and crannies of your mouth, it improves your mouth smell. Along with this, bacteria eradication also means that the risk of plaque formation is significantly reduced. If you already have plaque, this supplement can help you slowly improve your condition. Also read what Steel Bite Pro customer reviews and consumer reports are saying about this product. Does it really work for everyone? Find out more here. How does Steel Bite Pro work? According to its official website, this formula works in the following steps to improve your oral health. Individual results may vary. Step 1. In the first step, this supplement provides nutrition to your oral cavity and gets rid of bacteria. This helps not only prevent oral infections, but it also improves the odor of your breath. Step 2. In the second step, Steel Bite Pro supplement works toward the end of breaking down tartar and plaque. It also provides antioxidants so that inflammatory activity is combated. In this phase, inflammation is also relieved. Step 3. Next, the survival of bacteria is prevented as bacteria is broken down. Your teeth are strengthened as well as the cracks in them are repaired. Minerals and vitamins in the formula further eliminate germs. Step 4. Last but not least, the formula creates a protective shield around your teeth and gums. This saves your mouth from the attack of irritants and pathogens. In this manner, the risk of common oral diseases is reduced. Steel Bite Pro ingredients. Take a look at the ingredients that have been added in Steel Bite Pro pills. Filled Circle turmeric. Filled Circle milk thistle. Filled Circle grapeseed extract. Filled Circle chanca pedra. Filled Circle feverfew. Filled Circle ginger. Filled circle methionine, filled circle L-cysteine, filled circle red raspberry, filled circle artichoke, filled circle chicory root, filled circle burdock rock, filled circle celery seed, filled circle yellow dock, filled circle jujube seeds, filled circle zinc, filled circle berberine. See the complete list of ingredients and how they work here. Why should you consider buying Steel Bite Pro? You might be able to find several such supplements on the market that are available in the form of capsules and improve your oral health. Then why is it that you should choose this one of the entire lot? What makes it stand out? Below are some of the features of Steel Bite Pro that show why is preferable over other alternatives. Here goes. Filled circle. The supplement has only natural ingredients. Unlike other products on the market, there are no chemicals or other harmful ingredients that have been added in this formula. In fact, 23 essential minerals and herbs have been used to improve your dental health. Filled circle. All ingredients are well studied. Before being added to the formula, each ingredient in Steel Bite Pro pills has been studied thoroughly to ensure that it serves the purpose of improving your oral health. The product doesn't contain any unnecessary ingredients. All ingredients work together and have been included in the correct doses. Filled circle. Quality is commendable. Last but not least, this supplement wins in the quality department too. Only the best quality ingredients have been added, and these have been processed to ensure that there is no compromise with regards to their hygiene and potency. The supplement has been manufactured in the United States, in a FDA-certified facility. Filled circle. Safe to use. Since you're supposed to orally ingest this product, the concern about its safety does arise. However, you have no reason to worry since the supplement contains only natural ingredients, and so far according to the manufacturers, it doesn't have any negative reviews. It's safe to assume that there are no negative side effects that accompany the use of this supplement. It is also non-GMO. Try it risk-free. Click on the description to order Steel Bite Pro here with a full money-back guarantee. How to use Steel Bite Pro? Each bottle of this supplement contains 60 capsules. As you are supposed to take 2 capsules per day, one bottle is going to last you for a month easily. It is important that you follow the directions of Steel Bite Pro dosage that have been mentioned on the label, and that you take the pills on a daily basis for effective results. You have no reason to get a dentist's prescription for using this product. The fact that this supplement is available in the form of capsules makes it very easy to use and include in your daily routine. You are not supposed to brush any cream on your teeth, which can be time-consuming and effort-requiring. While you should go to the dentist every once in a while, you hopefully won't need to make any emergency trips to one if you have this supplement in your cupboard. Where to buy Steel Bite Pro and how much does it cost? You can choose one of the 3 different packages of this product available on its official website here. As for pricing, if you want to buy just one bottle of Steel Bite Pro capsules, that will cost you $69. In case you decide to go for the 3-month or 6-month supply packages, know that you'll get 3 each for $59 and 6 bottles each for $49 respectively. Shipping is on the company regardless of which package you choose. Please note that if you're not satisfied with your purchase, you have the option to return the product within 60 days and get your money back. This shows that the company is reliable and this supplement isn't a scam. Interested consumers are advised to purchase Steel Bite Pro from the official website only. The supplement is not currently available at Walmart, Walgreens, or Amazon. Steel Bite Pro reviews. The verdict: Steel Bite Pro is one supplement that you can choose if you are struggling with teeth and gum-related problems. Not only does the product have a natural composition, but it is also of a dependable quality. It helps get rid of pain and discomfort and also reduces the risk of oral diseases. It also comes with a solid money-back guarantee, so there's nothing to lose. We definitely recommend buying it. Get it today at a discounted price from the official website while supplies last. Limited supplies. Visit the official website of Steel Bite Pro by clicking on description.